Hey guys, it's your girl Tiff, and today's video is going to be a random half day in my life. I was gonna do my summer morning routine, but it ended up turning into more than the morning. It's currently about to be 4 o'clock. Just a random half day in my life. It includes mom things, cleaning, and just some of my content creation that I'm currently doing in this moment. And it does consist of doing this look right here. It's not a full tutorial. I'm just doing content for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. If you guys want to see what I did today, then go ahead and keep watching my video. Damien is still sleeping, so I just need to do my hair real quick because we're going to give him breakfast, take him to school, go on a run. I have to film some content. It's a little stressful, but let's just do it. We're going to do a sandwich run today. So it's like interval training, RP3 for a 2 kilometer. Then the next 2 kilometer, we're going to do a 7-8. And then the last 2 kilometers, we're gonna go back to RP3. I'm so tired. I'm just gonna pick out clothes for Damien to wear today. I like to pair him with a bright shirt most of the time, just so when I do get there I can find him. Even though there's like a window and I can find him, but it's just, there's like so many kids. I'm pair him with a yellow shirt or a bright neon green shirt, and it's hot, so we'll pair him with some Yoga pants. Yoga toga pants. It's a cereal kind of morning because it's 7:30 and he's still not up. I'm gonna go wake him up right now because we have to leave at 8:20. I wanted to eat breakfast. Where are you going? We are on our way to Damien's school now. It's 8:30. It doesn't take that long to get to a school, so we'll be okay. We'll make it somewhat in time. So made it back home, and now I'm gonna run my tempo run. My back hurts, everything hurts. I'm not in the mood. All right, I'm about to make it halfway. This run is hard today. Almost halfway. We're gonna stretch our calves and our legs because on Friday we have a long run to do. It's an 8K, but it's gradually gonna go up because I'm training for a half marathon. I did this entire course once already, but not all the way through. When I went to my Cali trip, that was the last time I worked out because the jet lag and getting back to the routine and schedule just, I need 2 weeks off of like working out. I'm playing catch up with like Damien, his routine, my routine, work. The next day I came back from Cali. I had to do inventories instead of working the daytime. I had to go in at 8 p.m. and we didn't get out till like almost 5 in the morning. Working out was not my priority. So stretch for like 12 minutes. I'm gonna head in the shower now because yeah. And then get on to filming a video. Oh my god. I need to prepare to get ready. I don't have enough time, so I don't even know if I'm gonna finish this today. Maybe we'll just have everything set up and ready because I honestly don't think I'm gonna have time to finish anything. Yeah, there's no way that I was gonna do this. First, I am gonna do my skincare though. Maybe I'll eat breakfast since I have time. Sadly, I have to use the Moisture Surge Clinique one. I like the Ceramizer from MAC. I got it. It's on the way. So far, I have to use other samples from other brands, which this one's not bad, but it's not comparable to the MAC one. Not that I'm biased. I truly really do love that skincare line. Like I was so skeptical before trying it because I was like, MAC isn't known for skincare, but they just be delivering and delivering every single time. I don't understand why I even ever doubted them. Add some fix to this. Brushes are clean. Everything's pretty much set. Just gonna brush my hair. It is now 10:44. So I'm gonna organize a little bit down here. Yeah, Damien's been watching Demon Hunters. I think we watched that yesterday like 400 times. Not 400 times, but 4 times. Felt like 400 times. So all their songs, because they are catchy, they're stuck in my head. Now I'm organizing my kit again. I'm so annoyed. I got some stuff for my kit, but from my last video I got some lash glue to put in here. Ooh, and I got lashes, which I'm gonna organize. But I got this mirror too for the clients. It's just a big mirror. I'm so professional now. Got some lashes, which I'm just gonna add right there. Organized a little bit in the living room here. Yeah, we're just gonna start putting stuff away real quick, kind of have everything ready to go. I need to leave soon. I'm just so lazy today. I don't want to do anything.
I show them.
What do you want to show them? Whoa.
Show them clothes.
I made Jamie a peanut butter jelly sandwich with watermelon. Everything is pretty much ready to go. Ay, necesito liga, see? I'm not prepared at all. I did need to eat something because I was about to faint. My mom did send me the outfit for the cholitas wear to dance. Why no? Uy, pica. Pica. Oof.
We're eating.
Quesadilla.
Do you like it?
It's not for you, it's for me.
Why?
Because you don't like it.
I do.
You want it?
This one bite.
Thanks. Empezar. Damn it. Because we have to do that before, of course. Y voy a poner mi pelo en trenzas. Oh man, era con la otra mano. Okay, one more of getting the words perfectly right. Pero esta vez we are going to braid our hair. There are these orange things that it would make sense to use them. Así o lo cruzamos. Like I'll just do the braids and then I'll cross it down. Sale, vale, esto está perfecto. Definitely needed esa quesadilla because I was dying. I feel the energy coming back. Así, así y ya. I wasn't recording. Damn it. Ya está todo listo. I'm just gonna do my makeup now. I guess start contouring. We're gonna put some stuff over here. And this is where after the setting spray comes in to blend all of this out. Okay, we'll add this one first for the glow. For the glow. Then I need to film this part. Even it on this side. Okay, so that one's good. So this one es la cabeza para arriba, para abajo. El centro para adentro. Okay, la misma chola. La misma chola. Let's hope that's good because I'm ready to take this one off. Damn it, I hate the face that I made. I think I went too early on that. I'm gonna have a lot of concealer on my face. I don't need that much. We're just gonna take it off. Was it recording? Next, it's just to, we gotta blend all of this out now. I'm just gonna blend the contour out first. I have an hour. It's 1:30. I have to wake Damien up at 2:30. I probably could have done this and finished this earlier today during my run, but it's like, what do I prioritize? We're almost done. I just need to add a little bit more on this side. I'm going to continue on my left eye. We're going to complete the entire left eye. We're going to add some highlight. Now for the fun part. We are going to create this eye. I'm so excited. So I have the picture right here. I told you I wanted to change this look up. The style we want to somewhat keep the same, but also new. I need to watch out for fallout. Okay, officially finished both eyes. We are going to do the rest of our glam. Transitions have been a little hard. I'm literally almost done. Okay, I just need to add my lashes and put some mascara on, and then I'm done. My husband came in. He's like, what is it, like Peru week? Excuse me? Excuse me, what? It's Peru month. Se celebra todo el mes de julio. I'm loving this eye. It's been a long time since I've done a colorful eye. I think I had some black fallout, but I got it. And this is why I hate doing my foundation first. If you guys didn't know, now you know. It is the MAC way to get the skin on first rather than the eyes. At least that's what they told me at school. It just makes the client feel more comfortable when they have a nice base rather than giving their opinion when you do the eyes first and that have no rest of the makeup on. Where usually I'm just like, trust this process. You like my eye?
Eye?
Well, my eye makeup. Eye? What? You don't like it.
It's pretty good. Your body's really tan, but your face is white.
I know. I tried. I didn't, you can tell.
You need summer makeup too?
Yeah, that's a thing, you know. No, I did this new thing where I didn't use my foundation. I only used my concealer and bronzer.
Tricky, tricky, tricky.
He said I look white. Is that better? This should fix some of it. When in doubt, ask your husband. He'll tell you the truth. At least mine will. Alright guys, so that is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this random day in my life. It was not a full day. I was just only supposed to record my summer mornings, but then this content creation for this look just lasted into almost 4 o'clock. So let me know what else you guys want to see. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow my social medias at Tiffanycherre and Cherrebeautique, and I will be back with more videos.